welcome back to another awesome video, awesome kids TV fans. Welcome back to another Cathead Heroes 5 video. Yay! And in today's video, we're taking a look at another Dr. Dimensions form. It's another pretty weird looking alternative universe creature from, you guessed it, an alternative universe. This one is from an alternative universe where fusions are everywhere, and you may never know when they might appear. So that's why you need to be prepared. This is figrig, a hammer version of Benton's figrig, which makes sense. Or you could just say a fusion between hammer and figrig, I guess. This guy is absolute insanity and will hammer and pummel you to death. Unless if you can get out of there, of course. The hammers have the ultimate form X on them, which is kind of cool. And can hammer up to 2 feet or 88 centimeters away and give you a bad headache for a couple days or hours. You may never know how long it'll last in that universe. He smashes like this, as you can see. Kind of like the tantrum attack from Skylander Strap Team. Oh, no, he's damaged already. Let me repair him. There we go. This guy's hammers are not that stable. They're not that stable. As you guys just saw right there. This guy has rocket feet, which means he can rocket himself anywhere, like this. He can use those rockets to teleport to any place in the entire universe, including alternative dimensions. That's right. Including alternative dimensions, which is what Dr. Dimensions normally does. He normally grabs DNA from different beings from different and alternative universes. Here's the back and the front, sides, top and bottom. And that's all I have to say about this form. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Make sure to stay tuned for the finale of this adventure. We are coming a long, long way. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and peace! Now, Pumpkin and the gang have to fight this guy, if you'll excuse us. Bye-bye! This is another mini-boss, by the way.